Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make the very delicious mouth-melting Italian dessert tiramisu. The creaminess of the mascarpone cheese and the bitterness of the cocoa powder and the coffee flavors gives a rich taste to this dessert. Watch the video till the end friends so that you will not miss any of the steps and can enjoy its great taste without a fail. Everybody in my family love to eat this. Trust me friends, the taste is amazingly delicious. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification for more interesting recipes. To make the tiramisu, first we need the tiramisu biscuits friends, which are known as lady fingers or finger biscuits. So first let's make them. The ingredients for the finger biscuits are 3 eggs, 60 grams of sugar, 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Take 2 big bowls, separate the egg yolks from the white. Take the egg yolks, add half of the sugar, beat them on medium speed until the sugar completely dissolves and it becomes light and fluffy. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes depending on the speed. See friends, like this. Now add the vanilla essence and beat for another 10 seconds. Now keep this aside. Take the egg white, start beating on low speed. Now gradually add the remaining sugar little by little as shown. Now increase the speed and beat until soft peaks appear. It takes 2 minutes nearly. Like this, see the soft peaks. Now keep this aside. Now take the yolks batter, sift in the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, corn flour and the baking powder. Mix until well combined. Now add this little by little into the egg white batter and mix in a cut and fold method friends as shown. Take the piping bag. This is handmade piping bag friends. You can see this video link in the description box below. Place the butter paper on the oven tray. Fill the piping bag with the batter. Cut the end as shown so that we can put half-inch wide biscuits like this. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on the biscuits as shown. Bake them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool down completely. The ingredients for making the tiramisu are 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, 80 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 eggs, some cocoa powder, and the finger biscuits which we made. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar to 300 ml of water and microwave it for 2 minutes. You can make coffee in your own way. Take 2 big bowls, separate the egg yolks from the white. Take some hot water in a bowl. Add half of the sugar to the yolks. Place the yolks bowl on the top of the hot water. Beat on medium speed until the sugar completely dissolves and the yolks become light and fluffy. Like this. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and whisk for 10 more seconds. Now add the mascarpone cheese. This cheese contains 70 to 80% fat, friends. The cream cheese contains only 30% fat. Now mix it until well combined and becomes creamy. Keep this aside. Now take the egg whites. Beat the egg whites on low speed for about 20 seconds. Now gradually add the remaining sugar little by little as shown. Now increase the speed. Beat for about 2 minutes until soft peaks appear. See friends, the meringue is ready. Now add this meringue to the yolks batter. Mix this in a cut and fold method as shown. See friends how fluffy and creamy it is. Keep this aside. Now strain the coffee into a bowl. Now take a tray. I am using a glass tray. You can use any type of tray. Dip the finger biscuits in the coffee. Arrange them in the tray as shown. Now pour half of the cream on the biscuits as shown. Level it up. In the same way, dip the remaining biscuits in the coffee and put the second layer. And pour the remaining cream on the top and level it up. Sprinkle some cocoa powder on the top by using a sifter as shown. Now refrigerate this for at least 3 hours. It tastes much better if you refrigerate it overnight. My kids can't wait until morning to eat this delicious dessert, so I refrigerate only for 3 hours. See friends how it looking. If you are a chocolate lover, sprinkle some more cocoa powder on the top again and enjoy its great taste. Hope you guys like this amazingly delicious Italian dessert tiramisu recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.